recent past, we have completed 3 projects and published 3 books coming out of those projects, all of which are highly pertinent to the events facing us in the world today. As we know, most armed conflict now tends to be within countries. In other words, it's civil rather than interstate conflict. And the most effective form of conflict resolution and conflict prevention, therefore, would be to put in place structures and processes that make civil society resilient. A conference was organized on this theme by Professor William Maley, who is the Foundation Director of the Asia Pacific College of Diplomacy at the Australian National University. And to speak about that project now, we turn to Bill.
The volume entitled From Civil Strife to Civil Society is a product of a number of conferences. And the conferences were concerned with the common theme of how best to facilitate the repair of severely disrupted states. The book is divided into a number of different sections. We start by looking at the nature of state disruption, then move on to examine military responsibilities, how one goes about ending violence, and then the complex challenges of restoring political order, restoring legal order, restoring social order, and restoring civil order.
The most urgent task, therefore, is to build civil society in its economic, political, legal, and all other dimensions that are pertinent. It's the question of how we move from civil strife to civil society.